Hi, welcome to my iPhone Dr. USA tutorials. Warning, this repair will void your warranty. You perform this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur.
Hey guys, this is Colby with iPhone Dr. USA. Today we're going to be doing an iPhone 5 screen and LCD assembly. Tools that you're going to need your iPhone 5 screw charts. You're going to need a pendulum screwdriver, razor blade, micro Phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Alright, let's get started. First thing we're going to be doing is taking out the pendulum screws at the bottom of the iPhone 5. I want you to take your razor blade and put the blade in between the white frame and the silver frame. And then gently pry it up. Inside of an iPhone 5. First thing you're going to do here is notice that the battery connections are here, charging dock connections here, and today we're only doing the iPhone 5 front assembly, which is located here. First thing we need to do is take out these three screws on the flex cable bracket. Now you're going to pop off the bracket. You want to undo the LCD cable and the digitizer cable. Once those are done, simply remove it. Alright guys, we got the front assembly off of the mid-frame of the phone. So now what we need to do is take off the ear speakers and the front camera, as well as the home button flex cable. Let's take off these Phillips screws here. Once those are off, I want you to get your razor blade and gently remove the bracket. Make sure you do not break this flex cable. It's very delicate. Gently pry it up with a razor blade. Has adhesive on the back side. Alright, so now we got that off. Now all we need to do is take out the ear speaker by removing these three screws. Take off the bracket. There's the speaker. Here's the camera. Flathead and pry this out. Last thing we need to do is remove the LCD shield. head screwdriver and gently pry up down here at the bottom. The shield comes right off. Now it's very important that you put all of these parts and components where they go on the iPhone Doctor screw chart to keep you very organized.